Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off location on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off Viber location on our phone, guys, we won't be able to do it from the Viber app itself directly, so we'll be required to open the settings of our phone. So let's proceed to open the settings of our phone. And after opening your settings, guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us. Just above the location, tap on apps, and over here again tap on the app manager button, which is at the top of the screen, and let this load. And we'll be required to search for the Viber app over here. So to do that, at the top of the screen there's a search bar available for us. Tap on it and search for Viber, and open the Viber app on your phone, guys, over here on this interface. Now, in order to turn off the location on Viber from over here, you can see the permissions option available for us just below the manage notifications. Tap on permissions, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the location option available for us over here under the app permission category settings. Tap on location, and you can see, guys, here it says the allow only while using the app. Now, in order to turn off location on Viber permanently, tap on don't allow, and then the location on Viber will be turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off location on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.